Enabling incoming call Vibrate on the Galaxy S24 ensures tactile alerts in noisy environments or when on silent, while disabling it conserves battery and reduces distractions, allowing for customized notification preferences. Here's how it's done. First, tap the home button to ensure you're on the home screen. From there, swipe down from the top of the screen and tap the settings icon. In the settings menu, scroll down and tap on Sounds and Vibration. Tap Vibrate while ringing to toggle the vibration on or off. If you'd like to use vibration, you can also select a vibration pattern by tapping on Call Vibration. Options include short, medium, basic call, heartbeat, and tick-tock, among others. So choose the one that best suits your preference. You can adjust the vibration intensity by dragging the slider bar at the top. You'll feel the vibration feedback as you adjust it. That's how you can change the vibration settings on your Galaxy S24. Once you're done, tap the home button to return to the home screen. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials.